what you knew. Restless every time we start looking at as lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start looking as lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor, the pain is over, feel the darkness take control.
Show you my setup real quick. I have a 5 amp hour rigid battery. At the time I got this, it was the biggest one. That's the bottom half of a junk drill. It was old, real old drill. I got it connected to a pair of these USB power adapters, and that's going to the USB-C port on the Hero 5, and it's set to a half-second interval time lapse.